How to fix Discord keep restarting. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, you'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will open Discord. And on Discord, go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another videos.